Hello, I'm Dr. Ruhaila. In this video, I'm going to show you how you install MongoDB for ISP610 and ITS480 lab. Okay, so first of all, go to a browser and search for MongoDB. So here you should choose MongoDB Community Server. So MongoDB has a server that's running as a service at the back, okay, and you will be using Mongo Shell in order to do the query languages. The concept is the same as you would use Oracle, for example. Okay, click on here, and then here you have to know what is your operating system. Like mine is Windows, however, I'm having Windows 8.1. So I can't possibly use this current version of 4.4.1. This is for Windows 10. For me, I need to use version 4.0. So sometimes you have to just try out, okay, which one will work with your OS version. Okay, and then download this and install. When you get this window from installation, just click next and then do an accept here of the license agreement. Click next and here choose complete. Alright, you have to make sure that you have this box checked because you want MongoDB to run as a service at the back. Okay, simply leave all of this as it is. You can actually choose where you want to put the data directory, but I'd say just leave it as it is. Okay, then click on next, and I wouldn't install MongoDB Compass because it doesn't serve much purpose unless you want to use the online MongoDB servers, which is in the form of classes. So in this case, uncheck this one and then click next and do an install. Wait until it is completely installed. Oh, over here, just choose yes. So once you get this window, click finish. Okay, and you need to go to your search, okay, function, and then choose services. So there should be view local services. Here we want to check if MongoDB is already completely installed and running as a service. So just click anywhere and then type M. So if let's say you see this, okay, this entry here, and the status is running automatic, so it means that MongoDB is successfully installed and is running as a service at the background. So now we can start using MongoDB, okay, for our lab. So what you need to do here is to go to the command line. You can type or search for CMD. Okay, you get the command prompt. Okay, over here you need to remember where you installed MongoDB. So like me, I installed it under my program files. Okay, this one. So if you didn't do any changes or didn't customize any directory, it could either be under program files or under program files x86, depending on your system, okay, or your machine. So let's go to this directory. Okay, so choose here MongoDB. If you're on Linux, make sure that the cases, uppercase and lowercase to be correct because it's case sensitive. Okay, under here you will see a directory called server because this is the MongoDB server, and then you can find 4.0 or whatever version that you have installed. Okay, alright, and then go to bin. And over here you get to see all of these exe files. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is to type in Mongo and click and press enter. Okay, once you get this cursor, okay, this greater than symbol, you're already in the Mongo shell. So there's supposed to be a manual. Okay, a manual. Let me just search in my directory. So in your future, you should have this file, okay, this MongoDB, sort of like a manual. All right, so this one, okay, we've already done all of this. The new version of MongoDB does not require you to create a folder named data, etc. Because if you noticed, when we came over to the window, or to the window that says install as a service, it's already it already created a data folder. So what you want to do is to just go through these exercises or these commands. Okay, like for example, you can type in show dbs, and so you get to see all of this. Okay, just go through this manual and make sure that you understand each and one of these commands and what it actually do. Okay, because this is the lab version and you need to know that, and you will have a test. Okay, a hands-on test for MongoDB. So if let's say I put in use dominos, okay, so it says switch to DB dominos, which means that initially I did not have any database named dominos, but now I do. So if I were to do show dbs, okay, sorry, db, is it to know current? Okay, so I should put db. Okay, so currently it is dominos. All right, so that's all from me. Please go through the manual. Yeah, all right, thank you, bye bye.